If you see the message, maximum number of attempts reached, try again later. Then here are 5 methods to fix this problem. First method, wait for the cooldown period. TikTok usually resets the limit after 24 hours. Sometimes it happens sooner, around 1 to 6 hours. Don't keep trying during this time, it'll just extend the block. If the first method does not work, then come to the home screen of your phone. Then open the Play Store. Go to the search option below, and in the top search bar type TikTok. If your TikTok is not updated, then update it. Third method. If the second method is also not fixing the problem, then again come to the home screen. Then go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Then select a different network. After that, try again. If the third method is also not working, then come again to the home screen of your phone. Open the Settings app. Then scroll down. Tap on Apps. Then you can search TikTok here. It is showing here on my phone, so I click on it. Then go to Storage and Cache. After that, click on Clear Storage. Then click on Delete. Then go one step back and click on Force Stop. Then click OK. The fourth method is complete. Fifth and last method. To apply the fifth method, go to your TikTok profile where you are facing the issue. After going to the profile, click on the 3 dots on the top. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down. Then click on Report a Problem. Then go to Account and Profile. Some options will appear here. You have to go into email and phone number. Then go into the first option that says this phone number or email is already registered. Then scroll down. Below you will see yes and no written. You have to click on no. Then click on Need More Help. After that, a form will open. In the first option, write your TikTok profile username of the account where the problem is showing. Then add your old phone number or email linked to your account. After that, upload the screenshot of the problem. Now click on Submit. Then a new page will open. Go back. Again back. Then click on the second option. Again click on No. And go to Need More Help. This is the TikTok Your Support Tickets page. You can use it to contact TikTok support if you have login problems or lost access to your account. Enter your TikTok username first. Then add your old phone number or email linked to your account. After that, write your new phone number or email. TikTok will use this new contact to reach you or update your details. In the description box, explain your issue clearly. Write what problem you are facing, like login issue or phone number change. The declaration part means you confirm your details are true. After filling everything, press the Submit button. Now the second form has also been submitted. Go back again. Then again go back. Then go back the third time. After that, scroll down. When you reach down, go to Suggestions. And click on No. Then again go to Need More Help. After that, some options will appear here. You have to chat a little with the TikTok support team. Select Account. Then TikTok will send you some questions in your message box. You have to type this issue there. You can take a screenshot of it, then send it. After sending, TikTok will again give you some options. Then you have to select them. Then below that message you will see 2 like icons. You have to click on them. Then it will say thanks for your feedback. So apply these 5 methods. After that, you have to wait 24 to 48 hours. TikTok support will review your request. After waiting, open the TikTok app. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom. Next, tap on the 3 dots and go to Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Account, then go to Account Information. Tap on Email and type in any email address. You'll receive a verification code on that email. Continue. I've already received mine. Enter the verification code and it will be confirmed. So this is how you can try all the methods. One of them will definitely work. We hope this guide helped you. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech content.